Hey, let's be real for a second. How many side hustles have you tried this year? Seriously, take a moment and think back. Now be honest, how many of them have actually paid off? You've seen the ads, the promises, the get-rich-quick schemes, and the easy cash hooks. But how often does it really happen? I know how it feels, getting excited about a new opportunity, only to realize it's not quite as easy as they made it sound. Well, this time, I found something that's different. Something that truly takes the heavy lifting out of your hands and helps you tap into one of the fastest growing markets today. And the best part? You don't need to write a single word or record anything yourself. Introducing Tornado Fi 1, the fastest way to tap into a billion-dollar audiobook market without doing all the grunt work. No, it's not some sketchy, overnight, get-rich-quick scam, but it sure is fast. And I'm going to show you exactly why it's worth checking out. Here on Time Money Info, we're not about fairy tales. We focus on tools that work, tools that simplify the process, make things faster, and help you build sustainable income streams. We've seen enough flashy promises and overhyped products to know that real money doesn't fall out of the sky. But at the same time, we understand that no one wants to waste hours every day chasing after a side hustle that barely pays. Tornado V1 isn't about selling you a fantasy. It's not here to tell you that you'll become a millionaire overnight. Instead, it's about streamlining an already proven method, one that makes sense in today's digital economy. Audiobooks are a billion-dollar industry, and Tornado Fi 1 makes it possible for you to create your own high-quality audiobooks without writing, recording, or spending weeks learning complicated software. Let's be clear, this isn't magic, and it's not going to transform your life by tomorrow. But it is a tool that works. A tool that can help you build a side hustle with minimal time and effort, especially if you're serious about creating passive income streams. So, what exactly is Tornado Fi 1? In simple terms, it's an automated tool that turns a simple keyword into a full-blown audiobook, without you needing to lift a finger when it comes to writing or recording. It's perfect for people who want to break into the audiobook market but don't have the time, skill, or interest in creating content from scratch. And let me tell you, right now, audiobooks are booming. They're an $800 billion industry, and that number is growing every year. Think about it. People are busy. They don't always have time to sit down and read, but they'll pop in their earbuds and listen to an audiobook while driving, working out, or even doing chores. Tornado V1 helps you tap into this huge demand. You don't need tech skills, you don't need a creative background, and you definitely don't need a massive budget to get started. Here's how it works. First, you log into the Tornado Fi 1 platform. Second, you choose a keyword, a topic that you know people are interested in. Then the system does the rest. In a matter of minutes, it creates a fully produced audiobook for you, complete with a professional voiceover and high-quality sound. You own the rights to it, and it's ready for you to sell to the millions of eager buyers who are looking for new content. Now, I want to take a moment to be real with you. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that Tornado Fi 1 is going to print money for you while you kick back on a beach. I think we both know that no product, no matter how good, works without some level of effort. But here's the deal. Tornado Fi 1 takes away the most time-consuming, frustrating parts of creating a product. You don't need to spend hours writing scripts. You don't need to hire voiceover talent or spend weeks recording and editing. Tornado Fi 1 handles all of that for you. It's about making the process as fast and seamless as possible so you can focus on the bigger picture: marketing, selling, and scaling your business. So while Tornado V1 isn't effortless, it's as close as you can get to automating the hard parts of the process. And when you're in a booming market like audiobooks, speed matters. The faster you can produce high-quality content, the quicker you can start seeing returns. It's fast, it's efficient, and most importantly, it's built on a real, existing demand. Let's talk about why audiobooks are such an incredible opportunity right now. Did you know that the audiobook market is one of the fastest growing segments in the entire publishing industry? Think about it. People are constantly looking for ways to consume information and entertainment while multitasking. Whether they're commuting, exercising, or doing household chores, Audiobooks allow them to listen to content without having to sit down and read. The demand is enormous, and it's only going to keep growing as more people adopt busy, on-the-go lifestyles. Imagine having a library of studio-quality audiobooks ready for sale within hours, products that are already in demand. You're not taking a shot in the dark here. You're entering a market where buyers are already hungry for content, and Tornado V1 helps you meet that demand faster than ever. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds too good to be true. And trust me, I get it. I've seen my fair share of products that promise you the world but deliver very little. But here's the thing. Tornado V1 is different because it doesn't promise you something unrealistic. It's not telling you that you'll be a millionaire in a week. What it does promise is a proven, automated system to help you create real, sellable products in a market that's already thriving. Audiobooks aren't some new fad. They've been around for decades, but the market is now hotter than ever, thanks to advancements in technology and a growing consumer base. Tornado V1 leverages that existing demand and gives you the tools to jump in without having to create everything from scratch. So yeah, I understand the skepticism. But Tornado V1 isn't fluff. It's a legitimate tool that uses technology to speed up a process that's already proven to work. And if you're willing to give it a shot, it could very well be the tool that helps you break into one of the most profitable niches out there. So, what's next? If you're someone who's looking for the next shiny object, this probably isn't for you. But if you're someone who's serious about building a real side hustle, someone who wants a tool that simplifies the process and puts you in a high-demand market, then Tornado V1 is definitely worth your attention. And just to make it even better, I've put together some exclusive bonuses for anyone who takes action today. When you pick up Tornado V1 through the link below, you're also going to get access to my audiobook Profit Cheat Sheets, a step-by-step guide that walks you through exactly how to maximize your earnings in the audiobook space. Plus, I'm giving you access to a private mastermind group where I'll be sharing insider tips, tricks, and strategies that you won't find anywhere else. These bonuses are designed to give you that extra edge, but they won't be available forever. So if you're ready to get started and finally break into a side hustle that works, now's the time. Click the link, check it out for yourself, and start building your audiobook empire with Tornado V1.